Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are going to working on our tax manager. So this is the introductory part of it. So let's see how it goes. Okay. So I previously have this, but I will have to delete it. So we'll start afresh for the installation. So let's delete that. So I'll I'll clear this. I'll kill this terminal. I'll also kill this terminal. So okay. So I'm going to delete this. Delete. Yeah, move to trash. So let's open a new terminal. Okay. So we have a new terminal here. So we are going to install Laravel first. Laravel new. I'll call it manager. Okay. So starter kit is going to be none. Then so let's pause so that okay. Let's pause. We'll come back when the installation is complete. So we are in the next stage of the installation. So they asked me which database I should use. So I'll be using my SQL. Then would you like to run the full migration? No. Would you like to run this? I'll click yes. So I want to install all the new packages. So we'll come back when the installation is complete. So we are back. We are done with the installation of Laravel. So we have to go into the just see the manager. Okay. So let's open the manager app. So previously we were to run the migration. So the reason why it did not run the migration then was in case you want to make update to this user table. So there are times when you just want to make updates. You can change first name, add first name, last name, and anything you want to add, any field you want to add there. So that's one of the reasons why I did not. That's the major reason why I did not make the migration then. So I will now go forward to install Breeze, Laravel Breeze. So based on documentation here, so we're going to follow the documentation here. So we're going to, so mind you, there's no support for Laravel Breeze after Laravel 11. So you can still use it, but there's no support for it. So anything can go wrong, even though it doesn't go wrong, but then there might not be compatibility with the newer versions. So if they bring Laravel 12, Laravel 13, 14, 15, there might not be compatibility with it. So let's just install it with this one for our project. So what does Laravel Breeze do for us? So Laravel Breeze actually helps us with authentication. So we have our registration, we have our login, we have forgotten password, we have everything that does with authentication, even the dashboard. So it also comes with a templating engine. It comes with Blade. However, there's a new format of them writing it in form of components. So your code is being written in component based, so the UI specifically. So let's see it. So let me install it here first so we can continue. So I don't know how long this will take. Okay, it's no faster. Oh, it's almost done. It's almost done. Good. Good. So I'm going to run this. So okay, we are not done yet. So there's also another instruction here. I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. So blade with a point. Only FP units. Then let's go. Good. So we have okay, still build bytes. Okay. Good. Good. Okay, so this works now. Let's say it works. So let's okay, this one, let's have this application. So I'm going to see Laravel sorry, PHP artisan. Good. So let's run it and see. I have my registration and login, but there's something that we've not set up. We don't have database, so we are going to come with the database. So I have a manager database. Okay, please drop the database. So I'm going to create a new one. Write it in manager. So I'll come back to my env file that you update. Let me manager here. Good. Come back now. Yeah. I'll just okay. You should connect it with this. So I'm not run my migration yet. So let me run this access of migration. Okay, sorry, I have to go into my directory. Manager. So good. So we have this done already. So let's try and log into the confirm. I'll rest. Yes. Let me see gmail.com. Oh, sorry, that's supposed to be guest manager. Yes, the password is used in console 345. Console hello 124. I'll just register. Bring the dashboard here. So let's just see how the device will be success, then use, then dashboard. So this is where so I'll just make change the version of the well, task. I'll do it. So for components, so we have several components. Section status, many data. The way it works here is primary primary button. So I want to get so get started. So I'll refresh. See I did it, but I want this get started to be added. So I will do flex row, then try between, then item set. I think this works. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we can actually just instead of b change it to h2 which can do. So that's let's go back to our mic. So previously based on wait I'm coming based on our notes here, we said we have tax model and just go into it. So for our tax model, we'll do PHP artisan migrate make migration. Okay, make model tax then we're going to do dash m. So dash m means the flag for creating migration for this. So let's go to, okay, so let's go to this now. Good. This is this. Then come here. So let's add our so what fields do we think we can have in tags? So we can have title, table. Let's not complicate things. Let's just do um, pending, and completed. So I think we would like to do 3: pending, in progress, in progress, in progress, and completed. So for this now, let's just use for the string, it's going to be nullable. And that name, table, text. I'm going to use text for this, description. Then I'm going to use nullable too. Then I'm going to add table, status. Okay, sorry. So do we use boolean or okay, let's use enum. Let's use, okay, let's use status. Okay, so let's use pending, progress. So I think there's an issue here. Blah 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 blah. Okay. So let me see. Okay. Column and array. Oh, okay. I think I get it now. So column and array. Okay. Sometimes you just forget all this code. So let's see. I think this. Is there another thing we need for? Okay. Is there another thing we need? For now, let's not complicate issues. Let's leave it like this. So we go down to our model. So we are going to see model here. Model stacks. So under the models, we are going to have table. Public function fillable, so that we can do mass assign. Like this. Public fillable equals to an array of our name, description, then status. Okay, so we are good with this. I think those are the only 3 we have here: name, description, and status. So we are going to okay, we're going to run the migration here. So we're going to do okay, coming. So I want to do something. So this layout, okay, guests and this. So I want to do something. So we're going to copy what is here and create our own. So this is just a small project, so there's nothing much there. So but then because I'm having should we do it multi-page or everything on? It's going to be everything on one page. It's just a small project. So let me just create a new file to tax. Sorry, tax lead php. So I'll just come here, do this, then I'll do tax. So welcome to our tax manager. Tax page. Okay. So this is where we're going to have our table here. So I'll just do table comes now next on the table and let's run our migration. Okay, our migration is here. Thank you very much. Let's see. Okay, so I think we are not done with our page for tags. So let's look at routes. So we are going to routes is under web. Yes. So I'm going to do a get. I think I should do a group. So we call that. Then okay. Okay, let me see. What is this? Let me see. Prefix. I'll call it tax. So I'm going to now create the first one, route. Okay. Get. And I'll call it. I'll just do this. This is it. So we don't have a controller for tax. So let's do a controller for tax. Okay, do we need to do a controller? Let's do a controller for tax. I wanted to do that in the next video. Okay, let's do it in the next video. So from here we're going to do function, then so we're going to return view. So our view is going to be where is it views, then that's tax. Okay, let's see, view tax. Okay, 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 there's another dot here. Good. So tax, it will going to return this view tax. So let's go back and see how it works. So let's go. So good. Welcome to our tax page. So thank you very much. I know that I didn't add my my navigation. So let me add that to my navigation. So I don't have a name for it, so I'm going to add a name for the route. I don't need very long. So let's see continuous. So tax. Okay, let's review. Where is that place? The nav links. Okay. So let's see. Why is it? So that sense that should do that will be okay. That's just go back. Let me see. Navigation. So just in one. Wow. Okay, let's see. Let me see. Function. So that's our view there. So that's um okay. Let me see. This is okay. Cash. Okay. So each time I add the name tax takes me to a page called. Okay. So we'll sort this out in our next video. So let's just wow. Okay. So let's do PHP. Let's look at route itself. Artisan route clear. So route list, sorry. Route list. Good, let's look at what we have. Tax. Okay. That's the only one we have here now. Okay, there's no controller for it. Okay, that's not a problem. So we'll do that in the next video. For now, we're able to create we're able to put okay, and it's my dashboard. I have my button there. Okay, cool. So let me even go to this thing and just add navigation. Add this. So route not found. Yeah. So let me see. Okay. Let me see that. Let me go back to I want to solve this thing out, but then let me see. So let me just copy this. Oh, that is again. I've been doing some that. So you know, it should be good. Yeah, good now. Good. Good. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. We'll continue in the next video, and we are going to be using repository pattern like I stated. Have a great day.